Alright, so this one here is a challenge problem. I have not really showed you how to do this, and this is something that we'll be going to later on in the year, but I figure why not try it today. So first of all, I have my equation. What I have here is I have y equals 2/3 x minus 4. Now, a couple of things that you should know. Number one, this minus 4, I'm going to block this whole thing off. That is my starting point. Okay, I'll write that down, start point. This 2/3, which I'll put in a different color here, that's touching the x, is my slope, which we've talked about before. And what this is basically showing me is how can I actually graph this out so I have every answer to this equation. When I plug in an x value, I will get the correct y value. So the first thing is it says the starting point is -4, and it says y equals, so that means on the y-axis here, so on the up and down, my starting point is -4. So I'm going to drag this little dot down to -4. And now it says that from that point, I go up 2 and to the right 3. So I'm going to take this little other dot here, and I'm going to go down here. And I'm going to go up. I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3. I put it right down here. Again, I went up 2, and over to the right 1, 2, 3. Now look at this line. If I go up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, it's still on this line. If I go down 1, 2, and to the left 1, 2, 3, it's still on this line. So let's check it, and sure enough, it works. Let's try one more of these. So this one, it says, all right, so this one says y equals 2x minus 7. So again, my starting point, because it has a negative, is -7, and my slope is just 2. Now we know that this number is really 2 over 1, if there's nothing there. So I'm going to go through and take my first one, I'm going to -7. That's my starting point. If this was a +4, +5, I'd put on the positive side of this y-axis. And now it's going up 1, 2, and over 1. So again, up 1, 2, over 1, up 1, 2, over 1, up 1, 2, over 1. Check it, and sure enough, it works. And this is the challenge problem. It might not be super easy for you at first. If it doesn't work, if this video doesn't help you, watch this video or use the hints here. But this is where we're going to be going, and you'll be doing this the rest of your high school career. So make sure that you kind of get into this a little bit. I'm happy to help out when I get back.